This is a quick look at the site-specific knowledge base within EG. Be sure and check with your administrator to make sure you're following procedures specific to your organization. To see if there's history associated with a measurement or test, click the history icon. This will open up a fix history window where you can see specific fix history associated with the test or measurement. You can also contribute directly to the site-specific knowledge base. You can also search the knowledge base by a number of different criteria. Just enter your search parameters and click Enter or Submit, where you can see a history of contributions to the knowledge base.